Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to add or subtract unlike fractions. Let's start with an addition for the unlike fractions, 1/3 plus 1/2. We can try to draw a model to help us. We show 1/3 and 1/2 using fraction circles. But it's hard to see the total clearly. It don't work. How shall we do? Remember we had learnt addition for like fractions, like 1/4 plus 2/4? They had the same unit fraction. Both were in quarters. So we just added the numerators and maintained the denominator. But 1/3 and 1/2 are not the same unit. Can we change them into the same unit fraction? Let's try using 1/4 as the unit. 1/2 becomes 2 pieces of 1/4. But 1/3 doesn't fit nicely into quarters. Let's try unit 1/5. 1/5 can't fit into both 1/3 and 1/2. Doesn't work either. Now let's try 1/6. 1/3 becomes 2 pieces of 1/6. That's 2/6. 1/2 becomes 3 pieces of 1/6. That's 3/6. Now we can add 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 1/5/6. It works. Let's check. How do we find the unit? Fraction 1/6. 1/6 is common unit fraction for both 1/3 and 1/6 1/2. That means 6 is the common denominator for 1/3 and 1/2. How can we find the common denominator? We multiplied the denominators to get the common denominator 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we understand the rules how to add the unlike fractions. Let's try an example. 2/5 plus 1/4. Firstly, find the common denominator. 5 times 4 equals 20. Secondly, change to equivalent fractions. 2/5 becomes 8/20. 1/4 becomes 5/20. Lastly, add the like fractions. 8/20 plus 5/20 equals 13/20. More practice. Let's try 2/5 plus 1/2. First step, let's find the common denominator is 10. Second step, let's convert to equivalent fractions. Third step, add 4/10 and 5/10. The answer is 9/10. A practice for subtracting. Let's try 6/7 minus 1/2. First step, let's find the common denominator. The common denominator is 14. Second step, let's convert them to equivalent fractions. Third step, 12/14 minus 7/14. The answer is 5/14. If you understand the rules well, here's a shortcut. Let's add 2/5 plus 1/2 using the butterfly method. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 2 equals 10. 2 equals 10. Cross multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. Add the cross products. 4 plus 5 equals 9. The answer is 9/10. Try more examples on your own using the steps or the butterfly method. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Thanks for watching. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to compare unlike fractions.